Howard Brown Health exists to provide essential health and wellness services to members of the LGBT community. And we also provide those services to community members across the city in the neighborhoods where we have our clinics. I'm so proud that in my tenure, the number of individuals that Howard Brown is reaching through our programs and services has increased by over 400%, which is a dramatic increase from the 7,500 we were reaching when I began in 2014. The We Care campaign is so important to Chicago because it will allow Howard Brown to reach even more people who need our vital care and services. And through this project, we are working hard to expand our system of care in 3 distinct areas.
What BYC does really well is think about the full person, right? And they think about the complete young person. And so whether that's offering services that are just like base level needs, from like showers to food, to a place to wash their clothes or store their items, to behavioral health, to be able to come and offer medical services and testing and all of those, to like just services that are full of joy, like dancing and movement and social space, that I think those services paired with their ability to offer job training, support when finding housing, all of those are just really thinking about the youth who are coming to use those services as whole people and taking care of their whole well-being, preparing them for, a really successful future and outcome. Being in the new space makes me feel pretty emotional. Just thinking about the journey of BYC, what they've been through, not always knowing whether it was going to be a program that would be able to continue, and now seeing this 5-story beautiful new space being built just for them is magnificent.
Our second project is designed to dramatically expand our clinic in the Lakeview neighborhood. And our Halstead clinic currently at Melrose and Halstead is simply too small to meet all the demands for care and services that we receive at that clinic. We've not been able to accept any new patients for almost 2 years, and currently do not have sufficient space for a full continuum of behavioral health and other enabling services that are so vital to wellness and good physical care.
North Halstead really is the center of so much activity in the LGBTQ plus community. The bar scene, the nightlife scene, so much goes on that draws people into the area, that having this kind of resource there for testing, for services, medical, psychological, dental, this is really going to be a great location, and I think probably an incredibly necessary location that will make such a difference in so many people's lives.
Southside Chicago has such a rich history, particularly when it comes to housing and offering community to members of the LGBTQ community. With that being said, having a Southside Community Center is fitting, right? What we do know is that community members who live on the South Side have always had each other, right? We know how to take care of each other best. However, what we also know historically is that LGBTQ community members have not felt safe in their backyards, right? Which is the reason why they have traveled to places like Boys Town, North Halstead, Edgewater, Lakeview, and all those other surrounding North Side areas. So what this community center aims to address are the disparities of, again, social isolation, but also the drought of LGBTQ services that the South Side historically does not offer in terms of targeted services geared towards the betterment of the lives of LGBTQ individuals. We care for those who lack financial resources.
We care for those who have not been able to find affirming care in their own communities.
We care for those whose basic needs are unmet.
We care because Howard Brown is often the only place a person has to turn.
We invite you to join us.
Join us.
Join us.